Okay. So by now we can find 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Got it? Got it, Pujit?
Sir.
Okay. So you can find the bit of this. After this, we'll go for finding the value, right? What would be the output of this? So for that, I'll go for just write the value as here we have like
Yeah.
what
Sir,
we
can you
have.
hear?
Sorry.
I have a doubt.
Okay.
Sir, any number, like if we take a natural number and convert it to binary, and while
Okay.
giving the values to binary, we have to get the same number exactly, the natural number.
Okay.
So how can we get another number from the binary codes of that natural number? I think you are adding two zeros extra in the front, maybe because it's octal base, right?
I
There are
didn't get
six.
you what you're
So
saying.
there are six binary digits here, as we
Okay.
are solving 30. We
Okay.
got 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, right?
Hmm.
While you are solving this, and there are eight numbers,
Huh.
so four ones and triple zero. Why there is
Okay.
triple zero?
Triple zero is nothing but we are adding some more value to make it 8 bit. Okay.
So
Because we are dealing with.
to make it
Okay.
octal base, you are adding two zeros.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I asked in the start.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
So Pujit, is it okay now?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
Okay. Now, if I go for okay. So for this, so for this, what is the answer? What is the bit? What are the bit you got? Please tell me. What are the bit you got here? 003. So you can't say 003. How you find 003? Okay, let's go for this. Okay. So what is the question? My question is 67, right? Yeah. So why you all got 003? I'm just asking to you, what is the bit you got after solving this? See, we are taking 2 here. Okay, everyone taking 2, na? Because we are actually finding the bits. Okay, someone got 1 4 times 0, again 1 1, and again 4 times 0. Let's see. Manju Kumari 1 4 times 0 and 1 1. Can we solve this? Okay, let's go for this. So it is 67, right? So we can go for 33, right? Answer is The remainder is 1 here. Okay. After this again, we'll go for 2, and the answer is 11, right? Here the answer is
0.
not 0. Why 0? 1, right? 2. Now we can go for 11. 11 is nothing but 5.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
there 11 plus 16, sir, I think.
Sorry.
11 plus 16.
Where? Okay. Okay. Yes. 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 This is 16. Right. Right. Okay. Okay. This is now 16. Okay. 16. Okay. Now this would be 8. Right.
8.
Hmm. This is 8. 8 here. And we got the remainder is 0. Right. Now again we'll go for 2 and take 8 as 4. Okay. The remainder is now 0. Again we'll go for 2. The remainder is 0
0.
here, right? Again we go for 2 and we got the answer as 1, right? And the remainder is again 0, right? Again for 2 it will be 0 and the remainder is 1, right? Remainder is 1. Got it, everyone? So we'll go like okay, we'll go like here we can go like 0, 1,
1,
after this 0, 0, 0,
0,
triple 0
double
and
1.
1, 1. Got it?
Yes.
Everyone got this value only, right?
Yes, sir.
1 triple 0 and 1, 1, right? So this is my what number of bit? 6, right? 6, na?
Yes.
Okay. So I can add 2 here to make it 8 bit. Okay.
Sir,
After
Okay. Yes.
sir, in third step, 2
Sorry.
8 is 16, remainder 1, 0.
Where?
In third step.
Okay. Here, na?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
This is 0, right? So here it should be 0. Okay.
Sir, there one, sir.
1. Yes, sir. 1. There should
1,
be
sir. 33 by
30
16.
divided by 16. 1 left, na, sir.
Ah.
So that should
Ah.
be
This is
1.
right, na?
Yes, right. Right.
Ah. Okay. So this is actually 1, right? So this is correct, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is correct. So 0, 0, 0, 1. So after finding this, what we are getting? 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 32 plus 1. Is it? Okay, no, not this. Okay, one more adding here, right? One more adding. Okay, got it, everyone? Let's write it again. This is the only, right? So we can go for this. And this is my 6th bit, right? So I'll make it as 8 bit. And after this, what I just want to do is left shift. Okay. What is the number of shift we have? What is the number of shift? The number of shift we have is here only. 4, na?
Yes, 4.
Okay. 4. So we'll actually delete this 4, and at the place of that 4, we are actually changing with this 4, this 4, right? This 4. Got it? Now I have 5 bits, right? So for that 5 bit, I need to add 30 here to make it 8 bit. Got it?
Sir, why we are eliminating 4 digits?
See what we, okay. This is my, okay.
Okay.
So what's the question? We are actually shifting 4 bits. Okay, shifting 4 bits. So in which side? Left side.
Left side.
Okay, left side. So we are actually eliminating, or we can say that we can actually decline this. Okay, these 4. Okay, so in place of this 0 will come. In place of this 0, this 0 will come. In place of this 1, this 0 will come. In place of this 0, this 1 will come. Okay, interchange. Okay,
Yes.
okay, so this 4 will be eliminated. Now I have 5 bit, so just add 3 more bit to make it as 8 bit. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now can we find this? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and for 2 to the power 3 and 4, we will going to calculate 2 to the 2 to the power 3 multiply by 1 and plus 2 to the power what 4 multiply by 1. Got it, everyone?
So why we are doing this, sir? Actually, I missed the class yesterday.
Okay. So actually, we are finding the value of bitwise, right?
If it was.
This is actually a bitwise operator, left shift operator. Okay. If I go for this, like 20, like this, so this is actually right shift operator. Okay. In Python, we have different types of operator.
Yes.
Okay, we can have like assignment operator, we have arithmetic operator, we have logical operator, right?
Yes, sir.
So we also have one operator called bitwise operator. You got
Okay,
it?
Yes,
So
sir.
for this, we are actually finding the value. Okay, we are finding actually the value of shift. Okay, after shifting, what would be the value of any number? Got it? So after this, we can find the value of this is nothing but 2 to the power 4 means 16, right?
Yes, sir.
16 plus 2 to the power 3. 3 is nothing but 8.
8.
Okay. So the answer is 24. Right?
Yes, sir.
The answer is 24, na? So previously here, do we get 24 here? Do we get 24 here? No. Why? Because this gives us overflow value. Okay, what is overflow value? Let's see. There are some rules to actually defining, or I can say, let's go for this. What are the rules? I'll just tell. Okay. Okay. Panakanti Chandu. Yes, tell me. You want to ask something? Should I unmute you? Any question? Panakanti Chandu.
Sir, we want example, sir, for understanding purpose.
I'm giving example only, buddy.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So here, so do I get the same value as what it gives? No, na, because we actually it gives me the overflow value. What is overflow value? Let's see. In 8-bit, right? In 8-bit, what bytes we have?
1 byte. Sir.
1 byte. Are you sure? Let's check this. Okay, 1 byte. And what about 8 byte? 64, right?
64 bytes. Sir.
Yes, that, huh. So 8-bit is equals to 1 byte, and 8 bytes is equals to 64 bits. Okay, so this is my 64-bit, and anything after this will give us overflow value. Got it?
Sir.
Yeah. One more thing here. There is some range, right? Yesterday session I just taught you about the range, the byte range, which is starting from 0 to anyone?
Minus 1.
Sorry, not n minus 1. 255. Pujit is correct. Actually, buddy, it's 256. Okay, 0 to 0 to 256, right? 256. The byte value should be in the range of, okay, byte and byte array. Both are actually having some range. The value should be in the range of 0 to 256. Okay, and range, what whenever I just talk about range, there is something called starting point, starting to end, right? And always end should be n minus 1, right? N minus 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here we actually getting value as 255. Okay, any value which is equal to 256 or 255 will give us overflow value. Okay, the value 256 will give us the zero value. Okay, after that any value will give us the overflow value. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's why we are actually getting 1072, which is a overflow value. Okay, if I go for 65, 65 left shift 4. Okay, again it will give me the overflow value. Got it? It will give me 520.
So output will be the overflow, sir.
Output is now overflow.
Okay.
Yes, because if I when we find this, what we found the value of this in bits 24, right?
Yeah.
And what it gets, it giving us is 1072,
Yes, sir.
right? So it will give us the overflow value. Got it, everyone? Every time if you go beyond this 64, right? Beyond this 64, and the bit also, the shift also need to remember, right? Shift. Okay.
It's only 64, sir. There is 64, 128, 56 bits.
No. So we are talking about bits only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we'll always deal with bytes here in bitwise, because it is why bitwise. It deals with bits only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why. Okay, got it.
Yes.
Okay. Now we can go for something like okay. So here my left shift is completed, right? So for right shift, we can go for like this 20 right shift of 2. Okay, the answer is 5. Answer is 5. Why? Okay, let's solve this also. I'm giving you only one example because of short time. Okay, we don't have that much time to. So I'm just giving you one example. Okay. So for this, I have 2. Means I have 20 here. I just need to find out. Okay, let's go for this, right? 20. So I got the value as 10100. Okay, you can see here. Okay. Okay, here you can see what we get, the value of 20. 0, 1. Okay, I can go for this. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, I got the value as the bit of 20 is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. 5, 7. Srija, you got this, right? So how can we solve this? The number of bit here is 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, right? So we have number of bit as 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, which is nothing but 6 only, right? 6. So we need to add 2 more to make it as 8 bit. Now it is 8 bit, right?
Yes. Sir, always we have to add from left side.
Always.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if I go for left, right shift, we need to take this 2. Okay. We need to eliminate this 2. Okay. After this, 0, 0, 0, 0,
Yeah.
0, 0, and 1, 0, 1. Got it?
I have a doubt, sir. Again, why
Yeah.
I forget why we are eliminating last 2 digits?
Sorry.
Why we are eliminating last 2 digits?
This is for actually we are performing left or right shift operator.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So we are actually shifting it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So now we have again 6 bit, right? Again we have what number of bit? 6 bit. So
Six.
we're going to add 2 bit again to make it as 8 bit. Now we have 8 bit, right? Now 2 to the power here 1. Sorry, 2 to the power 0 here in place of 1, right? So I can go for 2 to the power of 0, okay, multiply with 1 plus 2 to the power of 1, not 1, it's 2, right? Because in place of 2 to the power 1, we have 0. So anything multiply with 0 is 1.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
0, sorry, right?
Yeah,
So 2 to the power 2, we'll take 2 to the power 2, multiply with 1
Zero.
only, not 0. Why 0?
0 to 1 to yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So it will give us the value as 2 to the power 2 is nothing but
4.
4, and 2 to the power 0 is nothing but
1.
1. So anything multiply with 1 is 1. So 1 plus 2 to the power 4 is nothing but 5 only.
5.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So how we can go for this, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, for left bitwise operator, we are shifting 2 digits from right side, right?
2 or any digit means you can use 3 also, but
No,
you
sir.
need to understand.
My
Okay.
question is not my question is that my question
Ah.
is the shifting,
Okay.
the right shift and left shift. When we are using the right shift, so we are we are shifting from the right side,
From
right?
the right, right.
When we are
And
using
from
left bitwise operator, we are shifting from left side.
correct.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah. So got this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now we have completed now left shift and right shift. Okay. Now we'll complete the bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator. Okay. What is this OR operator? We can see here. Now, if I go for 20 or 10, okay. Okay, can anyone tell me what is OR operator? What is OR operator? Can anyone tell me what is OR operator? Okay. So in OR operator,
It gives only
any one of the values should be true. Then result will be true. Great. Okay. One should be true. Okay. So here we are actually finding 20 or 10. Okay. 20 or 10. If I go for this, what is my answer here? 30. If I go for 5 and 4, okay, my answer is 5 here. Why we are getting this? Let's find this. Okay. Now, if I go for something here only, right? I'm just going to come here. Okay. So we have what value we have 5 or 4. Okay, 5 or 4. Is it visible clearly, everyone? Everyone, is
Yes,
it
sir.
visible clearly? Yeah. So 5 or 4. We are actually finding 5 or 4. So what is the bit of 5? What is the bit of 5? We can find it by using this. Okay. You can go for binary table, right? So here we have binary table. This we can go for this, right? This is the binary table. Okay. Copy image. Paste. Okay. Everyone can see this binary table.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what operation we are actually going to perform here is OR. Okay. Just give me a second. You can find this by using this binary number. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So 5 or 4. So what is the bit of 5 here? Can anyone tell me? This is 0101, right? For 5 we have bit as, I can go for 101. Okay, 5 is nothing but 101. I can go for this 0. And for 4, what is the bit? Oh,
Sir, one more
10. So I can go for 100. Okay. For 4 we have 0100. Okay. After this, if I want to find this should be for this value 10 in OR. 1 should be any number, means at least 1 should be true, right? Got it? So this is 1 now. After this 0. After this 1. And after this 0. What this indicates? What this value indicates?
10.
5. Why 10? Sorry, 5. Just written here 0101 is nothing but value of 5. Whatever the value we got here is the answer only, right? And if I convert this into normal form, which is decimal form, so this is nothing but 0101 is nothing but 5. Okay, got it? Everyone got this? Yes. So can we move to next topic, which is nothing but AND? Okay. We'll go for AND now. So if I go for 5 and 4, it will give me 4. Same what we did in OR will go for AND also, but the difference is
Here, both should be here
both
false.
both the number should be true or 1, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Otherwise we'll get false. So here if I go for this 1 0, here 1 0 means 0, 0 0 means 0, and 1 1, only 1 1 should be true here. Now here only 1 is true, right? So answer should be 0, 1, 0, 0, right? Got it or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So answer should be 0, 1, 0, 0, which is nothing but my fourth decimal. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is AND operator, bitwise AND operator. So what is not? What is not? What is not? Okay, let's go for this. In NOT, as I already told you about NOT operator, NOT is nothing but we are actually complement. Yeah, Srija, you are right. Complement operator. Okay. If I go for 0, it will give me 1. If I go for 1, sorry. If I go for 1, it will give me 0, right? Am I right? Inverse, right? So if I go for complement of anything, right? Let's go for complement of 12. It will give me 13. How we can do this?
Sir, why negative 13?
Because we are inversing, right? We are inversing it.
Okay.
Yeah. Because see here, the value of 12. Can anyone tell me the bit of 12? Okay, let's find from here only. The bit of 12. 12 is nothing but here, no? We have 12. 0, 1, 1 means I can go for 1, 1 and what's this? 0, 0, right? 1, 1, 0, 0. If I go for inverse this means complement. So I'll get the value as 0, 0 and 1, 1.
1.
Got it?
Yes.
Which is nothing but I think 13th value, right? 13th. Sorry, I just made a mistake. First, for complement, you just need to add 1.
Yeah.
Okay, you just need to add 1, which is nothing but 1 as complement. Okay, 1 as complement. So by adding this, we'll get the value as, I just made a mistake. Just add 1. For normal NOT, we'll go for inverse this, right? For normal NOT operator. But this is bitwise operator, bitwise NOT. Yes, bitwise NOT, sorry. So for this, I'll get 1, 1, 0 and 1. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll get the value as 1, 1, 0, 1, which is nothing but 13th value. Okay. Got it? Yeah. Now we'll go for XOR operator. XOR operator. Okay. XOR operator is nothing but let's go for XOR. Let's go for 10 XOR of 20. Okay, it will give me 30 value. Yeah, exclusive OR. So this is actually bitwise. So in XOR, can anyone tell me what is the table for XOR? Let me draw the table here. This is my A value. Okay. This is my B value. and this is the result. Okay, so if XOR tells us, XOR says that if my value is 0 and second value is 1, then only it will give us 1. Okay, if my value is 0, okay, and 1, again it will give me value as, okay, this is same. If my value is 1 and the next value is 0, it will give me 1 only, right? Otherwise, if I got 0 0, means 0 here and 0 here, it will give me the value as 0. After this, if I got 1, even after I got 2 1 here, means 2 true, it will give us 0 only. Okay, got it? So
Yes,
if
yes, sir.
if I have one value as 0 and second value as 1, then it will give 1. 1 0 will give 1. 0 0 will give 0, obviously. But in XOR, the value of 1 and 1 also it will give 0, right? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is actually the table of this. Okay. If I go for solving this, can anyone solve the problem? This 10 and 20. First, we need to find out the bit of both of this, right? Bit of both of this, like we have here. We have 10 as 1010, and what's the second value? 20, right? 20, right? So you know how to find the bit of this. So answer is 1, 4 times 1, right? 4 times 1. Srija says answer is 4 times 1. Okay, let's go for what is the 4 times 1 value. Let's go for this. 15. 15. But this says 30. This says 30. Okay. You can go with this. You can find this. Okay. The way I just, for 20, the 10 is nothing but, okay, let me go for this. 10 is nothing but, what is the value of 10? 10? 1010, right? And 20 is nothing but, can anyone tell me what is the value of 20? Got here, right? Okay. So the bit of 21 is 20 is nothing but
10100.
20
Yeah.
or 20. 10.
10100.
Okay. 10100. Right. So we can go for this 10100. For 20, you got 10100.
10100.
Okay, for 20, 10100. Okay. So
Actually, sir, you're not
10.
taking that 5 digits all, so that's this.
Okay. Okay.
You are
One
taking
more
four
thing.
digits, right?
Yeah.
So if we take 5 digits, so the code will be different. The bit will different.
Okay. I'm just taking one thing wrong here. It should be 1010. Okay.
And after that, one more zero. Sir.
No, you can do like this also.
Okay, sir.
It will give us the same way, right?
Okay.
So after finding this, what would be the answer? For 1, it will give me,
For
it will
one,
give me 1,
one,
right?
yes,
1. For here also,
one.
sorry. This 0 and this is 10 and this is 26. Okay. So by this we are getting, we'll get in. So if you are not, it is directly 1 or 0 is 0. So this is 10. This is 20. दोनों का कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाल के 30 आ रहा ना, मगर इधर 0. ओके, मैं नहीं लगा. So we'll take 5 bits. 5 bits. 0,
Yes.
0, 1, 0. Okay. Okay, I need to take this 0 also. Right. Okay. What number you got?
Sir, 10 will be 0, 1, 0,
Same.
1, 0, and 20 will be 1, 0, 1, 0.
Sir,
20 is 10100.
sir, if you take
Yes, sir.
Same thing I did here, and I got the answer also. Right? 2 to the power 0. If I just want to calculate this,
Sir, you took the 5, sir. The first option 0, 1, 0, 1. It is.
okay. I got you. Means for 10, you are saying that I need to.
sir, from the beginning, you're taking only 4 digits. Four
Okay.
bits. We have to take 5 bits.
Okay. For 10 we have 01010, right?
Yeah.
And for 20, what number we have?
Last.
Okay, 10100.
Yes.
Okay. That's why. Okay. Here 0 also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here also, right? Okay. Now we'll get. Huh. But same output here also, na? Here. Okay,
Zero.
here, right? Okay. So if I go for this, okay, you are telling this means we need to put this 0 also, right? Okay, one thing, if I just go for this 2 to the power 0 for this 4 digit only, 4 bit, right? 2 to the power, just calculate this 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1,
It's
and
16,
2,
sir.
16, right? After this, adding
Sorry,
this
15, sir. 15.
15, right? This is actually, after adding 0, we'll get 30, right? Okay. Got it. Okay. Now you got 30 answer. I just made a mistake by taking 4 only, right? 4 bit. Now everyone got the answer. After taking 5 bits, we'll get the answer as 39. Okay. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can practice more and more, right? And one more thing, yesterday or day before yesterday, I just taught you about swapping. Haven't you attended the class? No. So, anyone tell me what is swapping? Can anyone from online?
Changing the number from right
Aha.
to left to
Ah,
right.
so we are actually interchanging the value, right? Interchanging the value. If I go for A is equals to 10, right? And B is equals to 20. A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 20. If I want to interchange this, so we can go for B as 10 and A as 20, right? So let's go for print or let's go for taking input. Sorry. Enter, enter the value. A, right? After this, sorry, not A, this is B. After this, the value of A, right? I'll explain you what is this input, okay? Why we are taking int and input, right? Okay. So before swapping, let's see the value is before swapping. Before swapping, okay. Before swapping, the value is nothing but what I print here. Hmm. Yeah, can go for this. Okay, let's see before swapping value. So enter the value of A. Let's go for 10. Okay, and 20. Before swapping, the same value, right? And I just want to swap. I just want to swap this. Okay, so let's go for paste it over here. And let's go for swapping. So how can we swap this? A is equals to A this is what? Bitwise XOR operator, right? After this, right? And after this, A is equals to what? A XOR B. Okay? Sorry? Ah, interchanging. Then only it will give the second value, right? So if I go for print of, okay, let's go for paste it over here. Print of after swapping. After swapping, I got the value A is equals to value basis B is equals to value, value basis dot format of A and B. Got it? So 10 and 20. So here number is swapped, right? A is become now 20 and B is become 10. Got it? Everyone? Online? From online?
Yes, sir.
Getting or not? So how it is changed, you can do by hand also, right? You can do by means practicing it. Just go with, first of all, just go for A XOR B. Okay. After this, just go for B XOR A. Whatever the value you got, it will be now interchangeable. Okay. Now, bitwise XOR is also completed. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the second thing, this is actually the
Sir,
topic of yesterday we have completed.
sir, I have
Yes,
out, sir.
yes.
Sir, go to the editor, sir. Back to the editor.
Sorry,
Jupyter.
sorry, you are not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, please go back to the Jupyter output editor.
Okay.
Sir, why you are taking again like A equal to A exclusive B on the third?
Then only it will take the XOR means the what I can say, the swapping value, right?
Okay,
This will take the swapping of B of A,
okay,
and this will take the swapping of A and B.
okay.
Got it?
And the first one, sir?
First one is also means first one will swap the first value, right?
Okay,
First one will swap the first value. After this, it will not. This is actually not swapping. If you go for calculating this, now you can easily understand.
okay,
Okay. First, calculate this.
okay,
Okay, whatever the value you are taking, just calculate this after B and after again A. Then only you will understand this.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Can we start with another topic? Actually, this is actually the topic of day 3, right? Okay. Okay. So we don't have that much time. So I'll explain you in short what these are. Okay. So we're going to study about operations on list, right? So these are the operations called append. Append is nothing but we are actually adding something in the list. You know list? Yeah. So we are actually adding something in the list, right? Adding means at the end of the list, right? At the end of the list, it will add some object, some element, right? If I go for Jupyter notebook, for example, if I have I can go for LST is equals to nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And I just want to add something in LST. LST dot append of 6, right? Append of 6. And if I again go for LST, check LST. This 6 is now again added to the end of the list. Sorry. LST is nothing but a variable. Yeah, you can take anything instead of this. Okay, you can take A also. Okay, so append is nothing but this is kind of function. Okay, we are using in list. Okay, now the next thing we have insert. Okay, next is remove. We'll going to see all these things. The pop index is nothing but we are actually deleting the element with some specific index, right? Pop off means it will actually remove last element. Okay, copy, index, count, reverse, sort. So these are actually some operations extent. And after this, one more thing we have is inner list or nested list. Okay, we all know how to create list. How to create list we know, but how we can deal with inner list, list inside list. Okay. I'll show everything. I'll show. Okay. After this, copy technique. Two technique we have. One is shallow copy, and the second thing is deep copy. Okay. So let's go with this. And first of all, append. This function is used for adding an element at the end of existing list. Okay. Existing list. You know this. Just I explained you about append. Let's go for insert. Okay, this function is used for inserting an element at a specified existing index. Okay, if I go for insert online,
Yes, sir.
are you there now?
Yeah, yes,
You
sir.
all are there. Okay, so we have LST. LST is nothing but my list. This is my list. Okay, so if I want something like in third index, which is my third index? Here, what is my third index? Third index.
4.
4.
4.
4 is my third index, right? 4 is my third index. So I just want to insert in which fourth index. Okay, fourth index I want to add something like 50. Okay, something like 50. Let's check LST. Now in my fourth index, right? In my fourth index, I got the value as 50. Got it? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Python indexing is starting from 0. Got it?
So basically, sir, not in the place of, but just it will add after that.
Sorry.
Like indexing means in the place of
See,
that.
what I written here is 4, right?
Yeah.
What I write here 4.
Yeah.
The value is 4 means the index is 4. It will actually count the fourth index. So from here, 4. 4 is nothing but 5 only, right?
Yeah, fine.
Just give me a second. Okay. So everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now after this we have remove function. What remove? The value, particular value. Means particular value in the sense first occurrence. This function is used for removing the first occurrence of element from the list. For example, if I have here we have 2 6, right? Here we have 2 6. Let's go for one more thing. Okay, one more thing, or I can go for append, right? LST dot append of something some let's go for repeating something called 5. Okay, 5. Now my LST is nothing but this. Okay, and we are actually going to perform remove here. Okay, so remove is nothing but it will delete the first occurrence of any value. For example, LST dot remove of 6. Okay, remove of 6, or I can go for 5. So it will remove the first occurrence of 5. So now the 5 is now eliminated. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
After this, we have pop index. Pop index is nothing but we are actually giving a specific index to delete this, to delete the value. Okay. For example, if I go for lst dot pop, and let's go for deleting 4. 4 is in which index? Third index, right? Third index. So let's go for pop of 3. 4 is now popped up. Okay. And if I go for LST, you can see here the four number is now deleted. Got it? I also have one more function called pop, only pop function, which is used to delete. Let's go for this. LST of pop. It will delete the last element. Okay, it will delete the last element. If I go for LST, you can see 5 is no more here, right? Got it? Now the sixth, fifth, you know, right? This function is used for removing last element. We can call pop upon empty list, then we get index error. Okay. One more thing here is, if I have something called lst1 is equals to some empty list here. Okay. This is my empty list. We don't have any element here, right? So if I go for pop of, sorry, lst1 dot pop of, it will give the error, index error, because we don't have anything. Okay, so what it will be means, what it will delete from this, we don't have anything to delete, right? So that it will give us index error, right? And everyone, can you share PPT in WhatsApp group, sir? So whatever I'm just teaching you, that's the only thing I'm just written here, right? So why you need this PPT?
Sir, if we get this PPT, it will be helpful for us in our future. Like when we learn about prepare for notes.
Okay. So after this, we have something called copy. Okay. This function is used for copying the content of one object into another object, right? Like we have LST, for example. Let's go for 20 here. Okay. Let's copy lst1 dot copy of lst, only lst. Okay. What it takes? Copy takes no argument. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. This is actually, it's not taking lst1 is equals to. Okay. So it will copy all the element of lst. Okay, which is nothing but this, right? All the element of lst into lst1. So if I go for lst, this is same, right? This is this, and lst1 is also now same. So everything is now copied into lst1 also. Okay, this is the copy function, and these all operations are used in list only. Okay, we cannot use this in tuple or any other data types. Okay, so now index, what this index is, this function is used for finding index of specified value. Got it? If I go for lst dot index of, if I want to find the index of 50, right? 50, the index is nothing but 3 here, right? So we can easily find the index of anything. Okay, this is used when we have large amount of data. Okay, if we have large amount of data, then we can easily extract that particular index, right? Count, it will count all the occurrence of specified value. If I go for,
Sir, could
okay,
you one more time index?
index is nothing but we are actually finding the index value, right? This is my value 50. I just want to find the index of 50.
Okay. Okay, sir. I got
Okay.
it. I got it.
Yeah. So one more thing, we have count. Okay, for lst dot count, Count is nothing but it will actually give us the occurrence of any particular value. If I go for 6, it gives me 2. Why? Because we have 2 occurrence of 6, right? 2 occurrence of 6. Got it? Yep.
Yes, sir.
Now index, copy, index, count. Completed. Now we have reverse. What is this reverse? Reverse will actually reverse the whole elements, right? Reverse of given element of list, front element to back and vice versa. Okay, let me show this. If I go for lst of lst dot reverse of, okay, lst dot reverse of, okay, let me go for lst is equals to, so now the lst is nothing but sorry, lst is here. Is that no, it will only reverse whole order, right? For this lst, right? This is my lst, okay, and if I go for reverse lst dot reverse of, okay, reverse of, if I go for lst, okay, then it will give me the reverse of any particular list, okay, and this reverse cannot be used in string, cannot be used in tuple or anything, any data type, dictionary, right? So this is sort. Sort is nothing but we are sorting anything in two form. What are the two form? Whether it can be in ascending order or in descending order, right? So the by default it will take, okay, let's go for this lst dot sort of, okay, sort of, so lst, what value, previously what value I have, okay, from starting from 6 to 1, but this will actually give me the value, is this ascending or descending? This ascending,
Ascending order.
ascending, okay, so it will give me the value as ascending order, okay. If I go for just, if I go for just reverse, reverse is equals to true, not this true, true, it will give me the reverse of this, okay, means it is now in descending order. Got it? No, you can, this is actually a parameter, okay. If you don't use this, or you can also change with this true as false also, okay, but this is only we are using when we need to have descending order, we need, we actually want to have descending order, right? So it will change the value as this. Got it? Okay. Now, if I go for next, next is nothing but extend. This function is used for extending the functionality of existing list with another list, another new list element. Okay, another new list element. For example, list obj1 dot extend of list obj2. Okay, let's go for this. For example, lst1 is also there, right? lst1 also. Let's go for lst1 dot extend of lst, okay, Now let's go for LST, and let's go for LST1. Extended or not? Previously, before this, we have LST1 as only this number, right? After actually extending using extend function, we can actually extend the value of LST1 and value of LST, right? So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 56. Okay, this is the value of LST1, 6 and 6. This, okay. After this, LST value is now added. We are actually extending the value. Okay, got this now, everyone online?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is extend. Now we have one more thing called inner or nested list. Inner or nested list. Okay. One more thing I just want to here after this also we have one more thing called identity operator and membership operator. Okay. So in membership and identity operator we have four important things. If times allow, I'll explain you tomorrow. Okay, both the things. So I just left with bitwise operator. Two more operators are left now, which is membership and identity. Okay, so okay, what is this? Inner or nested list. The process of defining one list inside of another list is called inner list. Okay, on inner list object we can perform both indexing and slicing. On the inner list object we can apply all predefined function of list for performing various operations. Got it? Okay. Let's go for inner list. How we can actually declare the inner list. You means understand how we can create list. Okay, see, if I have what's your name? Show it. S. Okay. S is equals to something called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything inside the square bracket, right? I can go with Python also. What is this? String, right? String. If I go for anything like true, what this true is? Boolean. Okay. If I go for 10.6, 10.6 is nothing but float value, right? Float value. So this is the way how we can assign or we can define the list. Any kind of data can be stored inside the list, right? And this is mutable. Mutable in the sense, if we are actually adding or deleting element, it won't actually change the address of this, right? If I go for id of s, okay, id of s, which is nothing but the address. Okay, if I go for appending something, appending is nothing but adding element. Okay, so if I go for s dot append of something called uh, something is Java. Okay, Java. So if I go for s appended added, okay, let's go for id of s. Is it changed or same? Right. So after assigning an element, the address will be same. Okay. So this is why we are calling it as mutable object. It actually contains mutable object. Tuple, dictionary, these are sorry, tuple is immutable. Set is both mutable or immutable. Dictionary is, if I talk about key, okay, key is immutable, as whereas the value of that is mutable. Means we can change the value. Dictionary, I'll explain you in dictionary part. Okay. So this is list, and we can also extract some value from here. How we can do this? By indexing and slicing. Okay. If I go for s of 0, I'll get the index of 1, which is nothing but 1 here, right? If I go for s of 6, whatever the value of 6 here, it will give that only, right? The index of 6 is nothing but true. Okay. If I go for slicing, what is slicing? We are actually taking some range. Taking some range in the sense, if I want to take from 2 to true only, or from 2 to this 10.6, how I can extract this? So for this, I can go for starting point. Starting point is nothing but what index? 2 is 1. Okay, so 1 ratio. Okay, this indicates starting point, this indicates end point. So end point is nothing but 10.6. What is the index of 10.6 here? 7. So we'll go for 8, because Python indexing is starting from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 is nothing but the number we want to take, means sorry, the index. Okay, so n minus 1 is nothing but if we want to get 10.6, we'll go for 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Sorry. हाँ नहीं, that would be only 0. That would be, means this will start from 0 only. N minus 1 for last only. Okay, so for this it is 8. So I'll get the value like this. Got it? We can go for negative slicing also. Okay, so if you go for this, from here to here, we'll say that this is a positive indexing, but negative indexing is starting from here, last position. So last position is nothing but -1. Okay, like goes on from till the last index. Okay, got it? And one more thing is, we can call it as step. So how many step I want to jump? Okay, you can see here. After two, okay, 2 step means 2 and 3. 4 is printed. After 2, after 4, 4 and 5. What printed? 6. After 6, Python and true. What printed? 10.6. Got it? This is, everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is okay. So time is up now, and so shall we continue this tomorrow? Inner or nested list?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So we can continue this tomorrow. One. Okay. Sure.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
how
Yes,
to
tell me.
use Jupyter app, sir?
Okay, Jupyter app. See, if you download the Anaconda environment, okay, you have Anaconda environment. You have Anaconda environment. You must need to have Anaconda environment first. First, install Anaconda environment from the web. Okay. After installing this, if I open this, just wait for a few minutes. Could you share it? Okay. So who was this? Srikant, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So have you done with this Anaconda Navigator? See, I'm just pasting the link of this. Just go through this and install that Anaconda. Okay. Okay. Thank you. From here you can find this Anaconda distribution. Download this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First download this. I will share everyone. Download this first. Okay. And first you need to install Python. Okay. You can install it from this. Okay. This is the link to install Python, right? After this, you just go for Anaconda environment. Okay, install this Anaconda environment. After this, open the Anaconda. Okay, the interface will be like this. Here you can see Jupyter Notebook. Okay, here you can see launch. If you launch this, the Jupyter Notebook will be open. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah, and if someone is not giving the okay, Subbu, you installed PyCharm. Okay, please everyone type your name and number in this chat box. Please share. रोहित रमेश दुष्यंत, रॉक गेमिंग भारत, पनाकंती, नागराज, यशदीप, सुषमा, श्रव्य, सिंधु, साई कुमार, मोहम्मद जुनैद. Please, Ahmed Abdul Zim. Okay. So, please share your contact number also. Okay, Rohit Ramesh, you can go for means. Again, you can send this and the number and your name. Please send this. So, if anyone is having any doubt, any kind of doubt, they can ask me.
Editor is the best, sir.
Sorry.
Which editor is best? Jupyter or any other editor?
See, I'm just using Jupyter for easy and actually it gives me quite good interface, right?
Okay.
And if you are a beginner, you can go with any kind of ideally, like you can go for PyCharm also, you can go for VS Code also, right?
Sir, which is convenient? Which one?
See, if you are going to means if you want to go with the data science field, right? If you want to learn machine learning and these things, so you can go with like Spider and Jupyter notebook, right?
Okay.
If you want with only with Python, right? So you can go with Jupyter also is good, right? They
Sir,
also
okay. What if one want to go for DevOps?
DevOps.
Yeah.
I don't know really
Okay.
about
Okay.
this.
No, because for a is there is ideal something like where everyone use that.
You can go for this PyCharm also, right? PyCharm is also giving something good, right?
But according
And
to you, the Jupyter is best.
Jupyter is best,
Okay. Thank you, sir.
right? Yeah. Any question? Any kind of questions?
Sir, yesterday I missed the class, sir. Can I
Okay.
get the notes?
I don't have any notes, but I let me talk to my management team, and after that, I'll share the link of that class, right?
Okay.
Live recording. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay. Oh, and sir, what about actually if I get the PPT from the first day, so it will be very helpful, sir, for future reference.
Okay. Okay. I'll actually ask them. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Yes. Okay. So, shall we stop the class?
Yes, sir.
now?
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you, sir. You too.